Hello all, this is the little quilt that I've been working on. These are antique blocks from my neighbor. I finally finished it today, got it all. I'm going to take a sweep here so you can see what it looks like. I got it faced. This is just like a funky meander around the borders. And then in the sashing I did these little leaves and these little like cross hatches. It's obviously not perfect. Again, if you watched the other video, you saw that this one side is all off. These blocks here are, I think they're supposed to be 11 inches square. That's very on, it's an applique basket on muslin. And it's not high quality muslin. You can see it's aged, it's spotty, and it just really doesn't age well. If you're going to use muslin, get a high quality muslin. I think it turned out super cute, this little quilt. This is for my neighbor Ruth down the road. And I will pause here and flip it over so you can see the back. All right, this is the back. Hopefully it translates. The fabric, it does have a seam in it. This is a small 40 by 56. And I was digging through my stash and I'm like, I don't have anything that matches the front and the back. What am I going to use for a binding or a facing? I did a facing. And I found this fabric in my stash that matches it beautifully. Perfect shade of aqua and this like mulberry color, whatever you want to call it. It's perfection. Very pleased with how it turned out. You can see the little baskets on the back. Little swirly things. There's hearts, there's swirls, there's waves, it's just a really, on the borders, I just kind of let it flow. I did whatever I felt artistically that came to me, and I really am pleased with it. No complaints here. I did do, she's gonna hang this on the wall. It is large wall hanging. I did these little corners. Oh, I don't want to move that too much or the whole thing will fall. But these little corners there, you put a rod in there. There's one on all four corners, and it'll hold up. It's to hang the quilt. She may need a couple center ones. We're going to test it out and see, because it is large. There's a good shot. You can kind of see everything. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. So I hope this inspires you to, create something beautiful and maybe help a neighbor. And this is for my neighbor's 97-year-old aunt. And I hope that she gets a lot of enjoyment looking at it. And there it is. Share the love. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.